Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're signed in and ready. Open the Blogger dashboard and pick the blog you want to change. Once done, go straight to Settings or Theme. Some versions show the favicon control under Layout. Make sure you already have a PNG or ICO file sized 32x32 pixels and under 100 KB. This prevents upload errors. You're starting the change immediately, so locate the favicon or site icon panel and prepare to upload. That first action moves everything forward. Click Edit on the favicon or site icon control, then choose Upload and select your prepared 32x32 PNG or ICO. When the crop tool appears, use it to center the graphic. This ensures readability at small sizes. Make sure the file type and size are acceptable, otherwise the upload will fail. After upload, confirm the preview and click Save. Either save theme or save arrangement depending on your interface. To commit the change, so the site will start serving. Once saved, clear your browser cache or perform a hard refresh to force the new favicon to appear. Sometimes you need to check in an incognito window. Make sure to verify both desktop and mobile views, because browsers and CDNs cache icons and changes can take up to 48 hours to propagate. If you still see the old icon, re-upload a fresh file, clear any CDN or site caches, and test again. That single troubleshooting step usually resolves persistent caching issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.